What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a smoked sausage breakfast scramble, or a skillet, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be mixing some hash browns, veggies, some smoked sausage that I diced up, some eggs. Ooh, man, throw a little Cajun on there. It's going to be delicious. Let's get it going. So we're going to throw some oil down right here. This is peanut oil. We're going to throw some butter down. Get this all cooking up. Mix it up nice and good. All right. Then we got some hash browns here. You know, the easy way to do it. Ooh. Just plop that right down there. Mix it up. Get that butter all over it. So simple as that. Let's just let these things cook for, I don't know, let's do about like 5 minutes or so. Just spread them out, let them cook. I'm gonna throw a little seasoning on them too right now. Just wanna get them nice and flat, flattish. All right, we're going with Cajun on the food today. You don't have to overdo it right now, because I'm going to be putting it on the veggies, on the eggs, all that. So, boom, just going to let these things cook for like 5 minutes or so. And yeah, check them out. So it's been a few minutes. Let's see how we're looking on these. Oh yeah, we got a little action started. Oh yeah. Boom. All right, cool. Now I want to mix them up. That's my preferred way to do it. Scrape everything off that bottom. Get the good flavors mixed back in. You know what I'm going to do too? Throw some more butter down in here, because that helps give it a real nice toast. And that's what we're looking for. So boom, just going to flip it around a little more. Get that butter all over. Alright, and I forgot to say, these two burners I got on high, these are off, and we're rolling at, well, when I started we were at like 380. So, let's keep twisting it around. Alright, now, let's spread it back out and let it finish cooking, so we get that nice crisp that we are looking for. And while I do that, while this stuff's cooking up over here, I am going to throw the veggies on the other side. Just let them start warming up at least. Let's see what temp we're rolling on over here. Yeah, 260, that's fine. We're just going to throw a little oil down. Just let these veggies start to warm up a little bit, because then I'm going to move the hash browns over here and move the veggies over here to finish them. So these veggies, all I got is some onion that is just cut into slices. And if you heard that when I put it down, it did start sizzling a little bit. So get this stuff cooking up a little bit. I'm going to leave these burners off though. So yeah, I got jalapeno diced up, minced up pretty much. Red pepper minced up, and then slices of yellow onion. So yeah, we're just going to let this stuff sit roughly flat. Let this stuff warm up, and yeah, once these are done, get them over there, get these over. Oh yeah, we're done with the veggies, or the hashies. We're all done. Let's just mix this stuff up. That's a nice cook we got on there. I'm gonna scrape that bottom. Ooh yeah. Alright, now what I'm going to do, let's just pull this down here a little bit. Get all this stuff off. Alright, let's move the veggies. Ooh yeah, over here. All right. See the hashies over here. Spread them out. They're gonna keep cooking a little bit, not much, just because there's like no burners on over here. Yeah, we're just gonna let that go there. Let's move this in here. Oh, baby. Oh, man, that jalapeno smells delicious. All right. And we are doing a giveaway. Probably, I'm thinking, I wanted to do it when I got to 6,000 subscribers, so I think that's gonna be November, maybe October, I don't know. I might just wait till November to do it though. But yeah, we're gonna give another griddle away, maybe some utensils. It all depends, you know, what's in stock, because you know how crazy things are right now, so we'll see. But yeah, we're just gonna let this stuff cook. So we're gonna throw a little bit of Cajun on this. Just turn it up. Ooh, we got a nice little sear on them veggies. Boom. Just gonna throw them right over here, because that's where it's gonna live for the rest of the cook. Now, we're gonna put some more oil down. Get going on these, this smoked sausage. Ooh, can't wait. Here we go right here. This is one 12-ounce stick, I guess, of smoked sausage here. So what I want to do is get these laying flat. I did turn my griddle down a little bit, just because these are going to cook up pretty fast, and I'm going to have to flip them all. And this stuff is fully cooked, so you pretty much all I'm doing is just warming up and getting sear on there. That's all we got to do. Come on, get a little splatter back here. All right, boom. All right, now what I'm gonna do is just let these cook. Actually, I mean, probably pretty much ready to flip right now. But what I'll say, in the description, I do have a list of all the stuff that I use for my videos, like the utensils, the cutting board, you know, all that random stuff. So if you're looking at that, I mean, you don't have to use that link to buy the stuff. I do get a real small commission it's through Amazon affiliates. You don't have to use that link, but just to give you an idea of what the stuff roughly costs, you can probably get it cheaper at other places sometimes when they have sales and all that, but you know, just want to let you guys know about that. So let's give these a flip, see how we look. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, we're good on these sausages. Oh baby, look at the color coming off that. Ooh, ooh man, look at all that. You get some of that oil out of there. Let's put that in with here. And now I need my griddle to cool down a little bit. So let's see where we're at. I think it's a little too hot. 356, we're not too hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean a spot because I want to get some of this food off the griddle. We're gonna put a little bit more oil down, some butter. All right, yeah, we're fine. We're good. Little oil, and I did turn my burners all the way to low, so we're at 256. It'll come down a little bit when I put the eggs. When I put the eggs on. Oh, done with the batter. Get it in that oil. All right. Boom. Let's get these eggs going. So I didn't overbeat them because I did want some of that white to come through like that. I'm gonna put some More Cajun on this. I didn't put it on the meat because that stuff's already really salty, so it doesn't really need any more than that. Now these are going to be a little discolored because of the all that other food I just cooked on it. I didn't, you know, fully clean them. Boom. Boom. All right. Let's just let these set up for just a hot second. And yeah, this is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna mix everything together. Actually, what I'm gonna do is turn these two burners on, because I want this stuff to start heating up more, because I want to fry everything together a little bit. Oh, look at these eggs. All right, we're ready. These eggs are done. So this stuff is done and it looks amazing. Smells even better. Just gonna throw it up here, boy. Might have needed a bigger plate for this. Ooh, lost one. I think I might have overdone it a little bit. It's a lot of food. Oh man, I'm ready to dive in. I ain't wasting these onions though. All right. Griddle off. All right. Boy, I don't even know where to go. No, I want some eggs. No, I want some meat. A couple veggies in there. A little hot. Very good. You know what you could do? Throw some hot sauce in there or something too. Let that cook with it, roast it a little bit. Man. These eggs are phenomenal though. That's what we got right there. I mean, that's enough to feed at least 2 hungry adults. So nice little easy cook. All right, well, I'm about to get in and eat my food. I appreciate you guys coming along. Don't forget, we're giving griddle away, hopefully, if everything's in stock. Yeah, appreciate you guys coming along. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Smash that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Appreciate it.